On the third day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a dollar store Santa hat. Can you guess what I'm gonna do with it? With these gloves? Yeah, and these gloves and some yarn. I'm gonna Grinch it up. Okie dokie, so you get some yarn, you cut a bunch of them into strips about, I'd say like 8 inches, and then you get like 5 or 6 of those strings and tie them in the middle. And voila, you get a bunch of them, then you sew them onto the hat. Don't tell my husband, but I took his beard brush. So the Grinch has really fuzzy hair, and so you take this brush and you just brush the heck out of this yarn. So it becomes really, really fuzzy. And whatever extra comes off of the brush, that's what you're going to use for the gloves. Okay, so this is an optional step. The Grinch's neck beard. So you chain stitch the length of the chin. So then you make a bunch more of the strings with a knot in the middle, and you're gonna sew this onto the neck beard and repeat brushing it out till it's extremely fuzzy. This will keep the person wearing the hat super, super warm. Then you repeat it but in white to create Santa's beard. So you have an option of having a neck beard and a Santa beard with this Grinch hat. And it's done! You've got a beautiful Grinch hat. It will keep your person that you're wearing it, my son's wearing it, warm, nice and warm. Neck warm, back of the neck warm, face warm. So check out my other video on how I made the Grinch gloves. Somebody fabulous!